Aloha guys, this is Aaron with Hawaii Music School, and today's lick of the day was a Hawaiian turnaround slash bluesy thing in B flat. So let's take a look at the lick, and then I'll show you how I played it. Okay, so this is how the lick sounded as played. Okay, so let's take a look at what that is. We're taking our ring finger, sliding in to the 5th fret from the 4th fret of the 1st string. Then we take our pinky finger and we're on the 6th fret, the 2nd string. Then it's a chromatic walk down. 5, 4, 3 on the 3rd string. So far we have. Now we're going to go back up to the 5th fret of the 3rd string with our ring finger. Then we're going to roll it back to the 2nd string and slide up. So it goes. Okay, so now we're going to do this thing where I shift positions. I slide up with my 1st finger to the 5th fret. So it goes. And what that is 5. I'm sliding in from 4 to 5. Then I go to a 6 with my 2nd finger. And then with my 1st finger again on 5 onto the 3rd string. So, and then now it's this walk down goes. So what that was I'm pulling off from the 8th fret to the 5th fret on the 1st string, and then I walk down. So it goes 6, 7. So 6 on the 2nd string, 7 on the 3rd string, and then it's a chromatic walk down all the way from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So it's. Then I hit the 3rd fret of the 1st string. And I go on the 2nd string. I use my 3rd finger for this. And I go 5, 6. So all together. And then we go here. It's like a dominant 7 shape. Like that kind of shape, but we're here on the 4th fret with my 1st finger. And I go. So it goes from the 4th to the 5th to the 6th. And what that is finger 1 on 4, finger 2 on 5, and finger 3 on 6. And we're going chromatically up. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that was the lick of the day. If you liked it, please hit the like button below. Also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the way I teach, I have a teaching website called Hawaii Music School, where we do lessons like this, but they're much longer and they go way more in depth. So check it out. In fact, right now, if you sign up, you can get 2 weeks for free. So hopefully I'll see you around. Aloha.